After a tiring day, as a cool breeze comes from the window, we have prepared moringa soup. You can also prefer having it in moderation. It's good in vitamin A, C, E, calcium, potassium, and moreover, it helps to have good immunity. It takes care of your anemic aspects. And yes, as I am on bed rest, it helps in constipation and ensures that digestion is really good. So try it out.